welcome back to another episode of Wisco Outdoors. Today, we are working on the lean green running machine. I believe the impeller is crapped on this motor, on the old, in Jordan's eye, the old 250. So today we're gonna try ripping that apart. I have what I think is the right piece. I'm not 100% sure though, so we'll find out when we get it apart. So I think all we're gonna need is a socket set, I believe. I believe you just take, focus, 1, 2, there's one up here, 3, and then these 2 on the other side. I think is all you take off, and this whole lower unit should just pop right off. So that's what we're gonna try. Alrighty, I found my missing little piece. So this little chuck has to come out. It's got a little thingy-mababe that I'll probably end up losing. So that's gonna go right there. You guys remind me that it's right there. So now I'm gonna take this bolt back out, and this whole thing should ideally drop. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh boy, that's long. Tadder. Check them apples out. So now, I'll grab the camera, but there's 4 bolts right here I'm gonna take off. And I think that will expose our impeller. All right, now the drive shaft's out. I'm gonna take these 4 little pieces off and hopefully expose our impeller. Winner. It is a 10 millimeter. Number 4. Oh, yeah, this impeller is totally crapped. That don't look good. It's all curved. There's a piece of it missing. Yeah, yeah, I think this impeller is crapped. So let's do a comparison for the new one. So, new impeller, old impeller. Yeah, I think that's bad. I ain't the smartest man on the planet, but I think that's bad. All right, so now this is all put back together. I'll put her back on the motor now. Alrighty, so I think I got everything put back together here. These 4 are tight, or these 2 and the 2 on the other side are tight. This guy's tight. This is that little shift linkage I was talking about. So that's nice and tight. Cool. Let's see if this little guy will start spitting some water. Yeah, baby. Squeeze my bulb a little bit. Hell yeah! She's never peed that hard in her life. Hell yeah. I consider that a success. Cool. That is going to do it for today's episode of Wisco Outdoors, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, if you guys have a similar motor, similar problem with water not piston out of the motor, super easy to fix the impeller. Just got to find the right part. That was the hardest part for me. And yeah, so hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys are new, and we will catch you on the next one. Have a good one, y'all.